Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You know what a common question is in our house? Did you take your medicine? Well, now with this pill organizer from AUVON, my husband and I don't have to question if our son took his daily medication. We can just check the pill organizer. This is perfect for him because he's required to take medication in the morning and at night. So you have an organizer for AM and PM. They also sit on this really nice tray, which is convenient. They lock in place, they're not gonna move, but if you wanna separate your pill organizers from morning to night and have them in different locations, you can do that. These also have really nice spring hinges instead of like the clasp and close. I find those are easier for him. This would also be great for anyone that's older that maybe has arthritis in their hands. So if you need help organizing your medication or even questioning whether or not you took it, this is a perfect way to organize it. I know that for us, it's really made one thing in our life a little bit easier, and we love that. And that's my point of view.